In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Dark War survival game. I have in here this article that can help us get started with Dark War survival. So you'll be thrown into chaotic landscape devastated by viral outbreaks. So you need to understand first the base development. So your base is your lifeline. The stronger and more efficient your infrastructure, the better you'll perform in battles and raids. Make sure to finish all the chapter tasks given right here and collect the necessary materials to finish them. You also need to optimize your combat and troop management because combat in Dark War Survival happens in both PvE and PvP formats. So in here, choose the hero deployment. So each hero comes with unique abilities, so just take note of that as well. Make sure to also be good at resource management and gathering. This will help you dictate your speed of progression and assign idle troops to gather missions, occupy high-yield resource tiles, and participate in time-limited events. So you can head over and upgrade the infrastructure as well as right here. Focus on completing the main and side quests early as they grant large amounts of EXF, which is speed ups and resources. Join an active alliance and unlock the raider early that can give you access to hidden missions as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.